Do you remember my viral video from 2 years ago when I turned toilet scrubbers into Christmas trees? Well, I'm back at it again. This time I'm putting a Halloween twist on it. This is a quick, easy, inexpensive craft anyone can make. All you do is take the brushes and bend them back and forth until they break, and then create a trunk on one side by removing a few excess bristles, and then add hot glue on both sides to keep it from fraying. Then you just freehand a Christmas tree shape, just like this. And then with the help of a toilet paper roll, I took them outside and spray painted them in various colors to make them look like, did you guess it? Candy corns. So I just kind of messed around with the different colors and different combinations, and I absolutely love how they've turned out. Then I took a stick off of a tree and cut it into stumps, drilled the middle, and glued them into place. Aren't they just adorable? You're about to see the final reveal in my kitchen in just a second. Ta-da! Aren't they so cute? Make sure you follow me so you don't miss future videos.